In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACE manifest with an ACE In-Bond shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. A U.S. in-bond shipment allows for the inland movement of goods that have not yet obtained a customs release and are usually destined to an inland bonded location or a bonded warehouse in the United States. These shipments can only be transported by a carrier who are either a U.S. bonded carrier or are transporting the shipment on behalf of a U.S. bonded carrier using a single entry bond. To learn how to become a bonded U.S. highway carrier, tap the link at the top of the video now. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, then tap AC Manifests and select Start New AC Manifest. And after you enter all your trip information, scroll down to the bottom and tap Save and Start New ACE Shipment. Since there's an ACE In-Bond shipment that needs to be created, select Save and Start New ACE Shipment. And to learn how to enter trip information on an AC Manifest, tap the link at the top of the video now. Here, starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PAPS as that's the most common shipment type, but since this is an ACE In-Bond, tap the shipment type and change it to an ACE In-Bond. Next, enter your shipment control number, and if you're hauling another carrier's shipment, just tap the SCAC code to change it. It's important to note that the shipment control number will also be the bill of lading number associated to your in-bond shipment. Below, enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. And when you see a magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so at the bottom, tap Save and Add Commodity. Now enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. And because we're creating a transportation and exportation bond in this video, enter the total value in US dollars and the harmonized code or HS code of the commodity. For the harmonized code, all that's required is the first 6 digits. And now that all the commodity info is entered, go to the bottom and tap Save and enter in-bond details. Here, starting from the top, select your in-bond entry type, which in this video is a Type 62 Transportation and Exportation Bond. Then below, enter the paper in-bond number, which is also referred to as an entry number. This entry number is usually provided in a sequence issued to you from CBP. You can also have this field automatically filled out for you if you've already entered a sequence of entry numbers into BorderConnect. And to learn how to do this, tap the link at the top of the video now. Next, enter the U.S. in-bond destination, where the in-bond shipment is destined to in the United States. Then, the foreign in-bond destination. In BorderConnect, these fields can be quickly assigned by entering either the name of the location or the port code itself. Now enter the bonded carrier ID of the highway carrier. This can be the carrier's IRS number, U.S. CBP assign number, or a Social Security number. Then below, the estimated U.S. departure date, the date when the in-bond shipment will be leaving the United States. And if the shipment will be subject to FDA, you can change that here. Next, at the bottom, tap Save and back to ACE Shipment, and again, Save and back to ACE Shipment, where you'll be brought to the ACE Shipment Details page. We're here because at the top, you'll have to tap More and select CBP Form 7512, where you can print, fax, or email the CBP Form 7512 with all the in-bond details generated from what we just entered in BorderConnect. This must be provided to the driver before arriving in the United States. Now that all the ACE Manifest details have been added, tap More, then select Go Back. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBP, so at the top, tap Sync with CBP, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 1 to 2 minutes, CBP should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, Complete Manifest on File with CBP. And once the in-bond entry has been filed, the status will move to 4 green bars, Complete Manifest and Entry Numbers on File with CBP, where the driver will then be free to cross into the United States. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, Arrival Reported at Border, and will be followed by 6 green bars, Truck Released at Border, with a message stating that CBP has now authorized this in-bond for movement in the United States. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ACE manifest with an ACE In-Bond shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create an ACE In-Bond on a laptop or a desktop, click the link at the top of the video now. BorderConnect also provides a user-friendly U.S. in-bond manager solution for U.S. bonded carriers to arrive and export their in-bond shipments. To learn how the U.S. in-bond manager works and how to arrive and close your in-bond shipments with CBP, Tap the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.